Just sometimes in our busy air conditioner schedules we have get a little tangled up and can even find ourselves buying $50 tools that we don't need just to make us feel better in life. This, on the other hand, is not one of the $50 tools that you will be wasting your money on. This right here, folks, is one mean machine. She can take apart blowers. She can take apart flame sensors. She can even open up panels. She does hurt a little when she falls from up in the air and lands on your leg like that. But it's always a love-love relationship with this bad boy right here. You can see that's a Klein tool. And they're magnetic. You gotta love them. Shut up and take my money. Look at that clean old flame sensor. Yep, you know. Talking. Don't carry our emery cloths or sandpaper or all that good stuff in air conditioner season. But I'm glad I buy gadgets all the time and have my flame sensor cleaner right here in my keychain.